wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing and keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And if forever I'll follow, you'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow in immortality. I can see you and me.
What's up, guys? We're here at Field and Stream picking up the 5 for 5 challenge. This is the bait. Kingbassing with
that
us.
we selected. BassandCoffee, guys.
What's the challenge?
I'll tell you the challenge, man. We got 5 baits right here. Each of us is gonna have one. You gotta catch a fish on each one of these lures. If you lose one of these lures, then you out on that one. Alright? You out on that one. But so that means if you catch 4 fish on the other 4 and you lose that last lure, you want 4 out of 5 fish. That's the game. We got 2 hours to do it. See you guys on the water.
The losers have to pay for these. Losers gotta pay. That's what the challenge is. Losers gotta pay. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's go. Boom, we're at the fire pond, guys. Yeah, welcome back. Today, we're going to catch bass today with these 5 lures that we picked out at the Field and Stream that you guys can check out earlier. We're going to show you to them right now. Get them right there. Our challenge is to use these 5 baits only, and if you lose one, you lost a bass right there. So yeah, we're gonna head down a mile and try to catch a fish. What else? What does the winner get? Winner gets to not pay for these baits and get to keep them. Losers had to pay for it, half each, and they go home eating some bean boozles.
Some bean boozles. Hey, you wanna check out my fanny?
Yeah, let's see it.
Check out my fanny. Look at that, man. Let me just strap it on real quick. Hold on. Where's the other side at? There it is. Ready? Ready for this? Watch this, ready? Get close up on this, man. Get close up, ready? Ah!
Damn.
It's good, man. Keeps everything real here. If I need to get some hooks, unzip that real quick. Dig in here real quick. Like that right there. Got all my hooks right there. It's good to go. Alright, we're gonna
Let's
get the fishing. Bow. Let's grab our baits. Oh, nuts, dude. Oh, my nuts.
What's up, guys? Got my Lose bait caster paired up with the favorite white bird rod. It's a 6.6 medium heavy. It feels really light. I'm gonna rig up the this is gonna be the first bait I rig up. Little drop shot with this big bite baits, one of the 5 that we picked out for the challenge. All right, I'm rigged up. Any of y'all ready to go? Challenge starts at right now until 1:45. Let's go. We got 1 pond to fish. See him right there? Get it, come on. Get it. Got him. There's the first fish right there. First fish of the day on the drop shot. Got him. That counts as 1 fish. So, get him unhooked, start with another bait. Let's get it. Yeah, it's a good fish. On to bait number 2. All right, next bait. Salt and pepper, a little swim bait, drop shot. Let's get it. Second bait, second bait. Let's get this over with. Looks like I'm out of the tournament, bro. Bro, it looks like I'm out of the tournament. That's a fail. Hey, that's a fail. This is what you call an epic bird nest. Look at this, guys. Nice 2-pounder out of this pond. Pretty dope. Cut out. Show you what I caught it on. What'd you catch it on? Big bites, baits, crawl. That's the one he picked. Yep. Second fish down. Pretty dope. You need a picture? That's a good one. I don't want any picture. Alright, guys, come get the release. Let's get the release on him. Sweet. Let's catch another one, guys.
Me crying and running through a ghost town, alone and stranded.
The old spinner crawl.
No place stays forbidden.
What's up, guys? Today I am a big loser, so I gotta try out one random bean in this box. Let's try to do it. Tell me how much fish we caught. I caught one fish. The first fish I walked up here and caught it. BassandCoffee over there, he caught three. Caught 3 fish, guys. Keepers. And Kingbassing,
I caught 3. Got 3. I caught 1, but it was after the time.
all right, guys. I'm gonna pick either. Okay, one random. Here we go. This color right here. This is either spoiled milk or coconut.
Take the glasses off, bro. I'm about to eat this.
Eat it.
What does it smell like?
My hands smell like fish, so I don't know.
You only caught 1 fish, dude. What are you talking about? Dude, what was that?
I don't know. What is it? Yeah,
Was
I
it
lucked
good?
out, man. It was good.
What was it?
It was. No, it was buttered popcorn.
Butter popcorn?
That's what it tastes
I thought you
like.
had to
Buttered
take 3
popcorn.
Yeah.
I thought you had to take 3. 3 chances. Hey, you
3
want
chances?
one? You want one? Here you go. No, I didn't lose. You caught 3 fish. He caught 4 all day. So you go ahead and taste another. Taste one.
Which one you get?
A little dead fish or a strawberry banana smoothie, or it could be moldy cheese or caramel popcorn. Molded cheese. Gotta eat it. Molded cheese. Oh, molded cheese. Oh man. Is it good? Is that good? No. Kingbassing wants one. Hey, film him. Oh,
Hey, man.
Kingbassing
Hey,
wants
man.
one.
You gonna film me, man?
Yeah. Random one.
Yo, man. Yeah?
Here we go.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Which one's that? The pink one? Is that pink?
Yeah. It's got the.
It doesn't even show all the
It's
colors.
got the blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow.
It's one of. It's
Oh,
either
here. Stinky socks
or Tutti Frutti. Oh, please be Tutti Frutti.
Go, stinky socks. Come on.
Please.
Let it be stinky socks.
Here
stuffing. Tutti fruity.
Tutti fruity.
Damn, son. Alright, guys. Dapper Bass checking out.
Kingbassing checking out. I guess BassandCoffee checking out too, but he's behind the camera. So see you guys next time on the Tennessee Googans. Right? You think so, Googans?